So let's just talk about Fibonacci series in Python. So the Fibonacci numbers are a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two previous ones. Like an example, so the Fibonacci series starts with the number 0 and 1. So these are the first two numbers. So the next number in the series is the sum of these two numbers. So the next number will be 0 plus 1, which is 1. And then the next number will be the addition of the previous these two numbers. So this will be 2. And this way, after that 1 and 2 will be added for the next number. So this way the series will go on. So this series of numbers are called the Fibonacci series. So let's now see how we can print the Fibonacci series in Python. So here we're going to define the function Fibonacci. So the function will take the number n. So the function will print first n number of Fibonacci numbers. So the Fibonacci series starts with the numbers 0 and 1. So we're going to create the variable a and b, and they will store the first two numbers in the series, which is 0 and 1. So here we're going to print the a and b, which are the first two numbers. So we're going to print them, and then we're going to use the end. So we're going to have one space after these two numbers. Now we have to use the loop so that we can calculate the next number, which is the addition of the previous two numbers. So here we're going to run the for loop. So for I in range, so the range will go from 2 to n. So because we have already calculated two numbers, that's why the loop will go from 2 to n. Now here inside the loop, we have to calculate the next number, which is the addition of the first two numbers. Now we're going to print the number c, and here we're going to end with a space. So once we're done with the calculation of c, now we have to update the a and b. So we're going to update the a and b. So b will be the new a and c will be the new b. So we are assigning b to a and c to b. So here first of all, we are assigning a and b with the value 0 and 1, which are the first two values in the series. So this is the value of a and this is the value of b. Now we are calculating c, adding a and b. So we are calculating c, which is the addition of a and b. Now after we done the calculation, then we are updating a and b with b and c. That means we are shifting them. So a is assigned the value of b. That means we are shifting a here, and b is assigned the value c. So we are shifting b from here to here. Now again we are running the loop again. So again the c will be calculated, and c is the addition of a and b. Because we have updated a and b, so the new c will be the addition of previous two numbers. So we are getting 2. And then we are again repeating this process. Again we are updating a and b. So a will be having the value of b, and b will be having the value of c. So we are updating a and b, and then we are again calculating c, which is the addition of these two numbers. So this way we are continue to shift the value of a and b and adding those two numbers, and this way we are getting this entire Fibonacci series. So let's now run this function. So we're gonna call the function. So let's now pass 5. So we want 5 Fibonacci numbers from the series. So let's now run this. So here we have the 5 Fibonacci numbers, and also we can pass 10 here. So now it will print 10 Fibonacci numbers from the series. So this way we can print Fibonacci numbers in Python. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.